What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute. Man, it's been a minute. A lot has happened. A lot has changed. Car-wise, personal life-wise. I mean, the world. I mean, a lot's changed. And, work kind of got in the way. Haven't really had much time. I was working 12 to 15 hours a day, and I was just too exhausted to be putting out any content. But today, I am finally coming up with multiple videos for both vehicles. And today is going to be on my 2024 F-250. We did a few add-ons, and not really an installation video, but just kind of a walk around and tell you what we have done and why we did it and what all was added, and basically where we got it from and how much it kind of cost. But let's go ahead and dive right into the video. So I don't know if y'all have seen this one yet, but this is my 2024 F-250. Here you go. Man, I've been wanting one of these for a long time. I bought this back in August of 2024. It was with me at Mustang Week, and it will be going to this year's Mustang Week back in Myrtle Beach. Currently, I am not at the dealerships right now, and I am hauling trailers for a buddy of mine's business. So I finally get to put my Super Duty to use and what it's made for doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip this around and show it to you guys. It is an absolute beast. It is gorgeous. It is so much fun. And, I've always been kind of told that diesels use too much fuel. Not the case. I mean, I'm getting 17 to 18 miles per gallon while hauling a 24-foot enclosed trailer empty. I'm not sure what it would be full, but still, those 24-foot trailers cause a lot of gusts and winds. They're heavy, and it's, you would think that the fuel mileage would be crap, but it's not. On a regular day on the interstate, I can get 22 to 24 miles a gallon. During the city, anywhere from 19 to 21, just depends on how heavy my foot is. But without me talking so much more, I'm gonna go ahead and finally turn this around and show you guys my new to me 2024 F-250. Man, ain't she a beaut? All right, let's go ahead and I'm gonna unlock this, open the door, and show you guys the interior. Nothing fancy. This is a XLT model. Sorry, excuse the mess. It's a little dirty, but it does have the digital cluster, the big display, only heated seats, non-cold. Since this is an XLT, you don't get cold seats, and you also don't get leather, but it's all I need it for. Oh, look. Can't miss out on these. Can't go wrong with these when you're on the road. Sweet and salty. And if you're someone who likes to wear cowboy hats like I do, you got to have the cowboy rack. Come on now. $15 on Amazon. Amazing find. All right, walk you guys to the back. So with hauling all these trailers, I am using the B&W trailer hitch. Go ahead and turn this off. Oh, wrong car. This one will have a new video here coming very soon. lot of y'all don't know about that one either. So a couple things that I have done very recent to my truck was I went ahead and upgraded to the tires to a 35 by 1250 20. And the reason being is the tires that are coming on these new Super Duty stock are completely horrible. I've never seen a Bridgestone tire be this bad. It's so bad that you can just be driving down the road and any type of water in the road, you will hydroplane to the point that you're going to have to pucker up. It's that bad. So I swapped those out to the new Wild Peak AT4Ws by Falcon, and it is a very comfortable ride. Kind of a soft tire, and again, these are 35s, so it did kind of help stance and level the truck out just a little bit. I am not going to level the truck because I don't want to lose its ride capabilities, and when towing, I don't need it to sag in the back, so I'm going to leave it the way it is currently. But one other thing that I did do, which changes the whole entire look of the front end of this truck, and actually they say it, it gives you that 2-inch level look without leveling it, and that is the front air dams. And guys, on these stock front air dams, I'm fixing to show you the stock one compared to the new one. Those stock ones are like 6 to 8 inches in height. They are so freaking ugly. I cannot stand them whatsoever. Look how tall this thing is. This thing is absolutely ridiculous. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you guys around to the front with the new air dam on, and it is actually the trimmer air dam. And guys, look at that difference. So much better. Looks amazing. You can tell it looks like it's got that 2-inch level without actually leveling it, and man, it just sets the whole front of this truck up so much better. So where I got that front air dam, Ford charges like $300 something for the trimmer style. I went on eBay, and I'll have the link below in the descriptions, and this one cost $160, and it's the exact same as a trimmer. Nothing different. Everything's the exact same, and it's half the price, guys. Can't beat it. Next, I'm going to show you the new, damn, something blew my eye. I think I'm going to leave that in there. Oh my God. Damn. A few moments later. All right, guys, so these are the Falcon Wild Peak AT4Ws. And man, are these meaty. These are an all-terrain, but whoo, look how deep these are. These come with an 30 seconds of tread. Now I know you're saying, what the hell is wrong with these wheels? Well, these are the stock factory wheels that come on the XLTs and the Lariats. And man, they are ugly. Ugly. But I'm gonna have to keep them for a while because these wheels for these trucks are not cheap, unless I go with the 2022 Lariat wheels, and those are amazing and actually about $600 cheap right now, that they're selling for about $958 plus tax. But guys, these are freaking amazing tires. I highly, highly, highly recommend these. So guys, in a XLT truck, the XLTs do come with a plastic rubber steering wheel. Well, not in mine. I have recently swapped this out for the Lariat leather steering wheel. This one is not heated, but that's okay. We went ahead and swapped this out. I got this bad boy on eBay from Fairway Ford in Ohio, and it was $390. Man, this is so much better. Guys, if y'all have driven or seen a XLT Super Duty or even the F-150s, especially the two-door trucks, they come with this hard plastic steering wheel. And this is one of the best upgrades I have done for this truck yet to date, because it makes the drive so much more comfortable, because these, full leather, guys. The factory one is just, it's horrible, especially with towing. With towing, it is absolutely insane, especially if the wind is very, very, very bad in the day, and you're white knuckling it. Well, let me tell you, white knuckling on that steering wheel, it sucks. My hands were so sore multiple times after driving 18 hours to drop off a trailer and get back home, and I don't wish that on anybody. It sucks. So that's why we went ahead and swapped out the steering wheel ASAP, and loving it. If you have a Super Duty or even an F-150 and have that steering wheel, I highly recommend replacing it for this one. You will not regret it, and it's worth the $400. But that's pretty much it, guys, on this F-250 so far. I do have multiple things coming in, which I will show you those later. And I think it's going to make the exterior look And another thing that I have here currently that I've got to get installed is a mounting system for my phone. You can mount iPads, GoPros, you name it. But I don't drill, and I don't like drilling, so I'm gonna have to have a buddy of mine help me out with that. But guys, I think this is going to be it for today on the F-250. Stay tuned for more content on the F-250. And don't forget that little clip in this video of my 2024 Mustang GT that nobody really has seen except for on Facebook posts. I really haven't done any videos on it yet. Stay tuned for more, because I've got a lot to come. And we have several sponsors currently right now on the Mustang that I think you're going to like with these next few videos coming out. Stay tuned. Thanks again for watching, and I'm so sorry for the long wait on content. Oh wow, that matches. Very nice. America, have a good one.